What is up, YouTube family? This is Eddie Dodgen with Cooking is Amazing, and today we're gonna make Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana soup. Stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome. So for this recipe, there are a few things you will need. Nice stock pot with a lid. Chicken broth, chicken stock, whichever you prefer. Potatoes. 1 onion. Some garlic. You will need some spicy Italian sausage that I have removed the casing from. And you will need bacon, diced. I have about 3 strips of bacon diced. Heavy cream. And last but not least, some beautiful kale. For the potatoes, I remove the ends, and then all I'm doing is cutting them right down the center. Basically, create a half moon. Then I'm just going to take them in little slices. I got 6 more to knock out. Let me get to them. Alrighty, it's time to start our cooking process. And we are going to first add in the bacon. Bacon's done, so now we're going to take it out. And now I'm going right in with my sausage. And as I put it in, like I said earlier, I took the casing off of this. So now I'm just throwing it in, I'm just going to break it up. And I'm going to break it up even more with the spoon as it cooks. Alright, now at this point, the sausage is pretty much done. As you can see, all that goodness from that bacon cook coming off the bottom. It's going to come off even more. Now we're going to add our onion. Alright, now I'm going to add in my garlic. That's about 5 big meaty cloves of garlic. Alright, now the potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and add those. And then now we want to take chicken broth or chicken stock. We want to cover all of it. And if it doesn't cover it, that's fine, just get some water. But we want to make sure we get it covered. Right there. Now we want to bring this to a boil. And once this boils, we'll lower the heat, put a lid on it, and we're going to let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Okay, we have come to a boil, so now we're just going to pop a lid on, turn the heat down, and let it simmer for about 30-45 minutes. Alright, we have let that go and simmer away for 45 minutes now. Alright, so we got about 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Now we're going to add kale. And this is baby kale. You can use the regular kale. I just couldn't get my hands on any. So I got the baby kale. As soon as this kale wilts, we'll be ready to eat. So that's going to wrap it up for the Zuppa Toscana. We're going to do a little taste test. We took the bacon that we crisped up and we put that on top. And we also put some grated Parmesan right on top of it as well. So we're going to give it a taste. Well, that is really good. Really good. Just the right amount of heat. Delicious. Well, folks, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Also, leave us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you, get your ideas. Let us know if you're going to make this if you do. You know, and also let us know if you do anything differently. We'd love to hear that too. We love y'all. Thank y'all. From my family to yours, God bless.